Hi guys, my name is Afton and welcome to my channel. This is Cooking with Afton. How you guys doing? Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys step by step how to make simple chicken nuggets. My kids love these chicken nuggets, so I make them nearly every week. Alright, so I hope you guys gonna enjoy watching this delicious video. Give my video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. Alright, and you guys can follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. Alright, so let me just show you. Here are my chicken nuggets. So if you want to see how to make this, keep on watching. So let me just show you my ingredients. Enjoy. Hi guys, this is my ingredients for my chicken nuggets. First we have some thyme here, chili powder, chicken season, all-purpose seasoning, cilantro, ginger powder, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, and some mustard hot sauce. And we have our chicken mince here, and we have 4 slices of bread. The bread, now we're going to put it into the food processor and blend it up. So I'm going to tear up the bread into pieces and just put it into the food processor. Alright, push it down and just blend it up. Okay, so all my bread finished blending up here in the food processor. So this is how it's looking. So what you're gonna do now is season up your meat. So the first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna put a little cilantro, some thyme powder, some chili pepper, ginger powder, onion powder, garlic powder, and some paprika. We're also going to put some chicken seasoning. And all-purpose seasoning. And some mustard hot sauce. And then you're going to mix everything together. Make sure everything mix up. Alright, we'll be back. Also guys, I forgot to show you guys earlier, you're going to use half of an egg. And you're going to mix it up into the chicken and the seasoning. Alright. So the next step, I hope you guys, yeah, you guys can see. So the next step, you guys are going to put in the, I'm going to put in the bread. Alright, and then I'm going to mix the bread up into the chicken. We'll be back. Okay, the bread then mix up into the chicken. So we're going to do, just put a little bit of flour, and then you're going to mix the flour up into the mince, the chicken mince. Alright, we'll be back. Okay guys, so you're going to put some flour on your countertop, and then you're going to put your chicken, and then you're going to spread it out. Alright, spread it out to the thickness that you want it to be. You can use your hands and spread it out, or if you want, you could take a rolling pin and just spread it out to the thickness that you want it to be. Alright, perfect. Yeah, this size is okay for me. And what you're gonna do now, you're gonna get a knife and you're gonna cut it in whatever size you want it to be or shape. I'm gonna do it in squares because chicken nuggets usually be square. So I'm gonna cut it just like this. All right, and then you're gonna cut it in this size here. We'll be back. Okay, so these are my chicken nuggets here. Oops. So you're gonna do, you're gonna put it into your egg here, and then you're gonna put it into your flour. All right, so you're gonna put it into your egg and then into your flour. Put it into your egg and then into your flour. All right, so I just hot up some oil here. Yeah, I hope you guys can see. So I'm gonna put it into my pan. Put the nuggets into the pan to fry. All right, so we'll be back. Okay, so I'm gonna turn over my nuggets now. Let it cook on the other side. Alright, we'll be back. Okay, so my nuggets is finished, so I'm going to put it into a plate with a paper towel. And I'm going to take it out. And then I'm going to put in the other set. Right? So we'll be back. Okay guys, so this is the end results from my homemade chicken nuggets. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. You guys can share my video as well, right? Thank you guys so much for watching and stay blessed. Bye. So these are my chicken nuggets here, so I'm gonna taste it on camera and then you guys see. Okay, I'm gonna try this one here. I'm gonna taste it. Tastes really good. You guys should really try this recipe. Chicken nugget tastes so delicious. Alright, so thanks for watching. Bye.